Hey, have you ever come across a website so simple that it makes you wonder, how is this even making money? Well, I just found a bunch of one-page websites that are pulling in thousands of dollars every month. And the best part? You could literally build something like this in a single weekend. Stick around because I'll show you how these sites make money, how much traffic they get, and maybe even spark an idea for your own one-page site. Let's start with a classic. HackerTyper.com. This one's hilarious. You type anything on the keyboard, and it spits out lines of code like you're hacking into a secret government database. It's like something straight out of a Hollywood movie. People love using it for fun, and guess what? The site gets over 600,000 visitors per month. Now, you might be thinking, there are no ads, so how does it make money? Well, they've got affiliate links to cybersecurity courses and job listings for actual ethical hacking careers. So someone visits for fun, sees a link that says become a real hacker, and boom, they might just sign up. Next up, 10minutemail.com. This one is genius. It gives you a temporary email address that disappears after 10 minutes. That's it. One page, one function, and yet it gets over 1.1 million visitors per month. Why? Because people need disposable emails all the time, for free trials, signups, or avoiding spam. With all the ads covering the page, it's estimated to be making around $21,000 per month just from advertising revenue. Now let's talk about something weird. Weirderconfusing.com. This site is as strange as it sounds. It's just a collection of bizarre Amazon products, things like a Nicolas Cage sequin pillow, a chicken nugget keychain, or upside-down glasses. Why does it work? People love sharing weird stuff online. It gets 137,000 visitors per month and makes money in two ways: display ads, Amazon affiliate links. If even 10% of visitors click through to Amazon, that's over 1,300 sales per month. Between ad revenue and affiliate commissions, this weird little site makes about $4,200 per month. Not bad for something so simple. Moving on to something completely useless. TheUselessWeb.com. This site does literally nothing. You land on the page, click a button, and it takes you to another random pointless website. That's it. But guess what? It still gets 75,000 visitors per month, and because people keep clicking, the average user sees about 3.68 pages per visit. With even a low ad revenue estimate, this site is still making thousands per month for doing absolutely nothing. So what's the takeaway? Every single one of these websites is simple. No fancy features, no complex coding, just a basic idea executed well. Some rely on ads, some on affiliate commissions, but they all have one thing in common. They solve a problem or entertain people. So here's the big question. What simple one-page website could you build this weekend that might just turn into a money-making machine? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.